Hi everyone! Welcome to Eileen Who Got Yoga. Today's practice, we will be engaging those core. Okay, so how we're gonna do that? Okay, when people say core, they always usually think just the front body, but sometimes, not just sometimes, but core basically is your center, okay? And there's another term that people say about hugging the core. It's bring everything back to center, hug into your center. That's another term other teachers use. Hugging back to center, okay? That's engaging your core. So, core is not just the front, but that also includes your back muscles, your glutes, and sometimes the hips, okay? So, when we're engaging the core, okay, this is not me engaging the core. Okay, I will start by reaching my hands up first towards the ceiling. Okay, so these are your lower ribs. I'll just call them ribs so it's easier for me to cue, shorter cues. And then let's reach our hands up. And then from here, you will start to feel the ribs start to splay out or pop out from your body. Your work is to try to pull the ribs towards your navel, okay? Ribs towards the navel. Reach your hands up. So try to bring your ribs down towards the navel. And then relax. Try to bring your ribs down towards the navel. And then relax. Observe how my arms are also moving. Ribs down towards the navel. Then relax. Last two. Ribs down towards the navel. And hold it here for 5, 4, 3, hard to talk, 2, and 1. I hope when we were holding it, you were still breathing. Just to make a point that you can still breathe even if you're engaging the core. Okay, now, next is your tilting, your pelvic tilts. Okay, pelvis, this is your pelvis. So pelvis is the bone here, hip bone. Okay, so you're gonna try to tilt your pelvis forward and backward. Okay, so try to see what happens. When I try to tilt my pelvis forward, I go butt in. And when I try to tilt my pelvis back, I go butt out. Okay, now this is called anterior tilt, big word, and then posterior tilting. Okay, now for some people, you need to create a lot of posterior tilting, just coming back to neutral. Okay, now, and sometimes it's hard to find the neutral because you're so used to, I have a natural anterior tilt. So for me to get to neutral, is just to exaggerate my posterior tilting. Okay, so let's start here by tilting our pelvis. So try to butt out, stick your butt out, and then try to butt in, try to push your hips forward as you butt in. Butt out, and then butt in, butt out, and then butt in. Okay, from here, when you're able to create the butt in as much as you can, try to push your hips forward and then try to pull the ribs down as you reach your hands up towards the ceiling. As you reach your hands up towards you, pull the ribs and pubic bone towards each other. Lift the chest up while keeping the ribs and pubic bone towards each other. Push your hips forward. Breathe here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. You will feel your hips, your glutes, the front body, and that is engaging the core. We'll do a lot of that in a sequence. I will create a sequence later on. Hope you're having a good day. Namaste. Thank you for practicing yoga with me. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
You can also check out more yoga videos and follow me in my Facebook and Instagram.